Catalyst in fiberglass. Catalyst is one of the most important, yet dangerous materials in fiberglass work. It gives us control over resin curing, but it demands strict respect for safety and proper handling. In this episode, we'll explore what catalyst is, how it's used, the different types available, and the precautions every laminator should know. Many years ago, in my busy workshop, a catalyst dispenser was left sitting where it shouldn't have been. As the day wore on, the sun crept across the sky and began heating the container. Soon the sharp smell of burning filled the air. We turned to see the dispenser smoking heavily in the full sunlight. With gloves and a face shield, I grabbed it and moved it to a cool, secure place. It could easily have burst into flames, or worse, exploded. That incident is a reminder of just how volatile catalyst can be. Definition and function. The word catalyst means to speed up, a substance that increases the rate of a chemical reaction without being permanently changed itself. In fiberglass, catalyst refers to Methyl Ethyl Ketone Peroxide, or MEKP, used with polyester and vinyl ester resins. From the moment ester resins are manufactured, they are slowly curing in their container. Left untouched for years, they thicken and eventually harden. Catalyst allows us to take control of that reaction, to set the cure time where we need it, whether fast or slow, depending on temperature and job requirements. Measurement. Catalyst is typically added at 1% to 2% by weight. That means 10 millilitres to 20 millilitres for each kilogram of resin or gel coat. The exact percentage can be adjusted within this range to suit conditions. Too little catalyst and the resin may remain soft and rubbery. Too much and the cure can become brittle. Gel coat may develop porosity or black specks and colour can be affected. Dispensing. For dispensing, always use a proper catalyst dispenser for accurate and repeatable measurement. For very small batches, a marked medicine cup can work, but dispensers are safer and more consistent. Types of MEKP. MEKP is sold in different grades with different levels of reactivity. When purchasing MEKP, it is best practice to speak directly with the supplier to confirm that the grade is suitable for your specific project. Always request the Material Safety Data Sheet, or MSDS, so you have complete information on safe handling, storage, and use. Two common types are Butanox M-50 and Butanox M-60. M-50 is a general-purpose catalyst with slightly lower active oxygen content. It cures more gradually and is forgiving in general, laminating, gel coating, and moderate temperatures. M-60 is a hotter catalyst with around 10% higher active oxygen. It generates more heat and shortens gel times. This makes it better for vinyl ester, tooling gel coat, and thicker laminates, or when curing in warmer conditions. On the shop floor, the rule of thumb has always been M-50 for general layups, M-60 when you need a stronger push, especially with vinyl ester tooling or hot conditions. Other catalysts. Other catalysts do exist, such as benzoyl peroxide, cumene hydroperoxide, acetyl acetone peroxide, and others, but these are specialised for high temperature or non-standard processes. For general composites work, MEKP is the standard and generally all you need. Usage notes. When adding chemicals, always add and mix accelerators such as cobalt into the resin before adding catalyst. If catalyst is added first and accelerator is poured directly into it, the two can react violently. Even if it doesn't happen every time, good practice is to avoid the risk completely. Important reminder. Epoxy resins do not use catalyst. They cure with a hardener, a completely different chemical system. Mixing these terms or chemicals can ruin materials and create hazards. Safety precautions. MEKP is one of the most hazardous materials in composites. It is corrosive, reactive, and dangerous to health. Respect for safety is non-negotiable. Respiratory protection. Ensure good ventilation. If fume exposure is high, use an approved respirator. When sanding cured fiberglass, wear a P1 dust mask. Eye protection. Always wear chemical splash goggles. Catalyst in the eye can cause permanent blindness. Skin protection. Use chemical-resistant gloves, barrier creams, long sleeves, trousers and boots. Catalyst can burn skin on contact. Effects of exposure. Contact with the eyes can cause severe irritation and, in the worst cases, permanent blindness. Breathing in the fumes may irritate the nose, throat and lungs. On the skin, catalyst can cause painful irritation or even chemical burns. If swallowed, it can be extremely harmful and may be fatal. Spills and storage. If spilled, eliminate all ignition sources, ventilate the area, and absorb with sand or vermiculite. Use only non-sparking tools to collect waste into a labelled container for proper disposal. Store MEKP only in its original container, in a cool, well-ventilated place. Keep it away from accelerators, fuels, metals, and heat sources. Never rebottle it into an unmarked container. Fire safety. In case of fire, wear full protective gear and self-contained breathing apparatus. Use water spray or fog from a safe distance. Small fires may be controlled with carbon dioxide. Always cool nearby containers with water to prevent rupture. Catalyst gives us the power to control resin curing, but it comes with serious responsibility. Respect the chemistry, follow safety procedures, and always handle MEKP with care. By doing so, you protect both your project and yourself.